Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT widget on Nothing Phone 2a. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and now click got it, and then click this button to skip introduction, and then click not now, and then click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and then click here to allow this app to display over other apps, then click back and back again. Now select start, and as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.